Hi, Adias here. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to import tones inside the Roland FANTOM. So in the previous video, I went ahead and exported a user-edited tone so we can go ahead and use it in other Zen Core compatible products. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to import that user tone back into the FANTOM. All right, let's get started. So in order to find my tone, I'm going to go back into single tone, and I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to search for the tone that I created in the previous video, which is titled Ed. Great. I'll go ahead and press OK. And I know it's not in the acoustic piano section, so I'm going to go in and find it and have it select all category. Or actually, let's go ahead into user tone. Great. There it is right there. And I'm going to go ahead and overwrite it. So if I go to the next tone over, initialize tone, I'm going to go ahead and just press write. And I'm going to write that tone, and I'm going to write over the Ed lead that we had earlier. So press OK. And so now if we look, the original Ed lead that we wrote is gone. It is no longer there. We wrote over it. All right, but that's okay. I have it saved here to my USB thumb drive. So now let's learn how to import that user-edited tone from the USB thumb drive back into a Zen Core compatible product. So I'm going to start off by taking my USB thumb drive, plugging it into my FANTOM. Now that it's in the FANTOM, I'm going to press the menu button. I'm going to go to Utility. And instead of Export, I'm going to go to Import. And I'm going to import tone. And I can do it on the screen, or I can press the Enter button. Either way. So right now it's looking at the root directory. And we see there are my exports that I've done earlier. And there is our example from the previous video. So I'm going to say, all right, let's go ahead and select that one. And it's going to show me, hey, you only have one tone selected in there. So let's go ahead and back up. In a previous, when I was working on this, I had another one and I had 3 selected. So I can see how many tones are actually inside. So I have 3 there, but that's not what I want. So I'm going to exit. And I'm going to go back to the Ed export tone. Select. All right, so that's the one I want to bring back into my FANTOM. And remember, we just went ahead and erased it, so it's no longer living inside this unit. So I'm going to say next. And now it's asking me, where do you want to put it? Tone select destination. Now it was living initially on number 1. Let's go ahead now and put it someplace entirely different. Let's put it on number 5. So I'm going to clear all the boxes, and I'm going to tell it exactly where I want to put it. So I'm going to put it in box number 5. And let's execute, and yes, I am sure. Now, a great reason to have the ability to choose where you take that file and have it right is because you might already have a file written in that box, and we don't want to necessarily erase something. So being able to select where you actually write the tone is a great feature. All right, so it already brought it in. I'm going to exit, and I'm going to take out my USB thumb drive just so we can prove it's already there. Exit. And I'm going to go back into my user area. So I'm going to go single tone, go inside here, press enter, and let's go ahead and look at my users right here and go to a different page. And remember, if I can't find it right away, I could always go ahead and look it up. Okay, so I know I already passed it. I can't find it, but not a problem. Check this out. Remember, we can do search, and let's just type in Ed. 8 hits, execute, and look at that. There it is, Ed lead on the number 5 user spot. All right, as you can see, exporting and importing tones from your FANTOM into any Zen Core compatible product is actually pretty easy. Stay with us as we do the same thing with a FANTOM into the Jupiter XM and the Jupiter X. All right, you guys take care, and we'll talk to you later.